So just to get into Hyde Park, I had to go all the way up to College Street. I'll show you why in a second. But while we're waiting for that second, I'll just show you one thing. This is why. Because all the entrances are all stairs. So it had 3 stair accesses. So long story short, it's not really that wheelchair accessible, is it, at the moment? So I had to go to the corner of College Street and Liverpool Road just in order to access Hyde Park. So Hyde Park is actually a continuation to the park just adjacent to St. Mary's Cathedral. So here's the second stairwell. Just there. And past. So it's not really that wheelchair accessible, is it? One side, so we'll see the other side. The Town Hall train station. Evening. And the footpath is not that safe either. Everything's all blocked off. Hyde Park War Memorial. No, being some sort of water fountain. Really old trees as well, and everywhere. Stair access at the front, so maybe like St. Mary's Cathedral might be an access around the back. No wheelchair ramp. Stairs only by the looks of it. Let's go around the other side. Just confirm that. There is a ramp there. I don't want to go in there. I don't want to be outside. It's been wet. Doors are dirty, so I don't want to get dirty and disrespect the Anzacs.